Curious how a hairstyle can shift your energy? These soft, feminine looks are here to inspire your next transformation. 1. Long layered waves with side part. Gentle waves with long layers give movement and softness, perfect for heart-shaped or oval faces seeking a graceful, romantic vibe. 2. Soft textured bob. A chin-length bob with tousled texture adds charm and approachability, great for round faces and fine hair types. 3. Low Loose Chignon. This relaxed bun at the nape exudes elegance without stiffness, ideal for formal days or mature women embracing femininity. 4. Curtain bangs with mid-length hair. Face-framing curtain bangs paired with shoulder-length hair bring out cheekbones, great for all face shapes wanting a soft lift. 5. Half-up boho twist. Subtle twists with soft waves leave the lower half flowing, works well for thick or textured hair with a youthful spirit. 6. Blunt cut with soft ends. A sleek shoulder-length cut with softened ends keeps it polished yet gentle, best for straight hair lovers. 7. Long hair with braided crown. Delicate braid circling the crown offers a fair-like touch, ideal for weddings or romantic events. 8. Wispy pixie with long bangs. A feminine take on the pixie with long bangs and feathery texture, suits small facial features and bold personalities. 9. Low side braid with ribbons. A side-swept braid tied with satin ribbon adds innocence, great for softening angular face shapes. 10. Long beach waves. Effortless, flowy waves that scream coastal goddess, ideal for long hair lovers wanting volume and ease. 11. Wavy lob with subtle layers. A long bob with understated waves adds modern softness, flattering on all face shapes. 12. Sleek ponytail with hair wrap. A smooth ponytail tied with a strand of hair keeps it elegant, works best for women with long, straight hair. 13. Voluminous blowout. A classic bouncy blowout radiates confidence and femininity, perfect for formal settings or events. 14. Braided low ponytail. A low ponytail with a braid wrapped into it feels structured yet soft, ideal for long hair. 15. Romantic side sweep. Hair swept to one side with volume on top enhances grace, best for oval or rectangular face shapes. 16. Baby bangs with bob. A modern bob with tiny fringe adds an artistic, feminine edge, for those wanting a bold yet pretty look. 17. Round twist with loose curls. Twist pulled from both sides meeting at the back crown over soft curls, a sweet style for any age. 18. Face framing tendrils with bun. A low bun with wispy strands near the face adds softness, ideal for formal settings. 19. Classic French twist. The iconic updo is sleek yet sophisticated, perfect for mature women or evening affairs. 20. Loose side ponytail. Casually gathered to one side, this ponytail feels relaxed and romantic, great for wavy or thick hair. 21. Long hair with feathered layers. Soft, airy layers throughout long hair bring lightness and movement, excellent for thick hair types. 22. Dutch braids into bun. 2 Dutch braids ending in a low bun create a feminine fusion of sporty and elegant. 23. Straight hair with tucked ends. Straight hair tucked inward at the tips gives a polished, ladle-like shape, ideal for sleek lovers. 24. Textured pixie with soft volume. Fluffy layers on a pixie cut maintain femininity with attitude, great for fine hair needing lift. 25. Headband braid with loose hair. A braid used as a natural headband with the rest left open, youthful and practical. 26. Low knotted ponytail. A ponytail tied in a knot at the nape blends ease with elegance, works for medium to long hair. 27. Butterfly clip half up. Pulled back gently with a butterfly clip for a soft 90s revival, perfect for casual feminine styling. 28. Pinned back curls. Big curls pinned on one side add glam and classic beauty, great for round faces. 29. Braided half-up halo. Small braids encircling the crown create a gentle halo, ideal for boho lovers. 30. Simple side bun. Gathered low to the side. This bun adds elegance without effort, perfect for weddings or brunches. 31. Wavy shag with bangs. Soft shag layers and feathered bangs feel carefree and artsy, great for medium hair. 32. Straight lob with middle part. A straight, shoulder-length lob with center part flatters symmetrical features and feels minimal yet feminine. 33. Messy High Bun. A high bun with loose strands feels casual yet sweet. Best for quick updos with charm. 34. French Braided Pigtails. Braided low pigtails add youthfulness without looking childish. Works great for festivals or off days. 35. Silk Scarf Wrapped Ponytail. A ponytail wrapped in a floral scarf adds softness and style. Great for sunny days or vacations.